$23 for this power bank, guys. It is a 20,000 milliamp battery from PowerAd, and it is called the Pilot X7. Can you believe that this is only $23 for the performance, what you will get from out of this? So let's check this out and see what I think about this power bank. So as you can see, this is made of plastic. Pretty much all power bank is made of plastic. You've got your power button on and off switch right there, along with the battery light indicator. And of course, you do have your flashlight on front. So if you press the power button, it will light up like so. It's pretty bright. On the front, you do have your USB slots and your micro USB to charge the power bank. So when it comes to charging this power bank from 0 to 100%, I was able to charge it within 9 hours. So not too bad of a charging hours. It's pretty much your standard time to charge this 20,000 milliamp battery. And when it comes to performance, I was able to charge 4 smartphone devices. I was able to charge one twice on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus 3500 milliamp battery from 0 to 100% within 2 hours and 5 minutes. And from there, I was able to charge the Huawei P20 Pro 4000 milliamp battery within 2 hours and 27 minutes. And lastly, I was able to charge my OnePlus 6 3300 milliamp battery from 0 to 100% within 2 hours and 25 minutes. So in total, I was able to charge 4 smartphone devices from this 20,000 milliamp battery. So not too bad, guys. And when it comes to weight, it is pretty lightweight. Let me just grab my weighing scale here. Okay. So it's only 372 grams. And if we compare this with my other power banks right here, and this one here, you can see the size difference between them. So this one here, this is a 15,000 milliamp battery. The same thing as from PowerAd. So as you can see, this one's a little bit smaller and lightweight. So let's check out the weight on that one. 326 grams. So a little bit heavier, but of course, it's packing more milliamp than this one. And this one here is from Anker. This is a 26,800 milliamp battery, and the profile is somewhat almost identical, but this one is more compact. So let's check out the weight on that one. So 470 grams, much heavier. And of course, right here, we've got the biggest power bank. This is a 32,000 milliamp battery from PowerAd, and look how big that is. So this power bank is pretty much right in the middle. If you wanna have that portability, this one is perfect. It's just right in the middle, the size, and it gives you a lot of juice. So if you are a heavy user or you travel a lot, this power bank is the one for you guys. And it's only $23, guys, at the time of making this video. So I'll put a link in the description below if you guys are interested in getting one for yourself. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video review on this power bank from PowerAd. So once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.